I headed back to Abu Dhabi Central Bus Station. Once again, I took the free Expo 2020 bus to Dubai, but I'm not heading out of the bed just yet. Once again, my friend Shans is waiting to show me some off the beaten path hidden gems. I got a feeling there's another round of cheap eats. Oh, my last night, I had to spend it with my cool friend, man. So, okay, this is off the beaten path of tourist attraction. Not touristy at all.
It's Quoz. It's not touristy, it's more artsy. If you're into, arts and all that thing, this place is nice.
Shan and I drove back to the industrial zone of Al Cool, the home to the Ashiko Avenue, where I visited before. At night, this area is transformed into a meetup for expats. It's filled with pubs and bars catered to foreigners who are permanent residents of Dubai. This is a place for them to hang out and have a drink. It also has its own stand-up comedy and improv theater, and also super cool video arcade with private rooms. How exciting. But I'm down for another round of cheap eats, and here's how you find these places. I never seen a fried rice that's cost only 12 dirham. How much is 12 dirham? In US dollars? US dollars. $2-3. Come on, what can you get for $2-3? Yeah, okay, how do I find these places?
Just go in cafeteria.
So cafeteria, that's the key word right there.
Yeah.
So what are we ordering today, by the way?
Sichuan rice. This is avocado juice. I love it. It's with honey, so with sugar, it's like the best. Summertime is really good.
Oh, so creamy.
Yeah.
Holy shoot. But if your budget is a little bit higher, don't worry, I got you covered too. I mean, Shan's got you covered too. He recommended you check out the Time Out Market located right inside the Souq Al Bar near the Dubai Mall. The space is spread over 43,000 square feet and encompasses 18 concept, 3 bars, a sweeping outdoor terrace, and so much more into one space. From burgers to sushis, you find everything under one roof with most price under $10. This is one fries you're unlikely to find anywhere.
Well, we got, it's katsu curry?
Katsu curry.
Katsu curry fries. Yeah, I love it.
What's so special? Describe it.
It's a mix of chicken. It's like poutine in Montreal. I like it. I miss motif.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, with that being said, let's just eat. I have to say, like, it's really the chicken is actually really nice and tender. I'm gonna try out the fries. I can't complain. I mean, it's really good. It's a lot more lively. After multiple rounds of fried rice and fries, we definitely need to shred off some calories. And I asked Shans, where does the expat go to do that? The answer is Kite Beach. It's another one of Dubai's popular beaches. This is a perfect place for us to have a nice jog in a well-lit footpath. During the day, it offers a wide range of water sports, including jet skiing and even a surfing school. In the afternoon and evening, it offers tennis and beach volleyballs, along with amenities such as lots of snack booths for refueling and a shower to get your sweats off.